And good Tuesday morning, I'm meteorologist Mike Javer. Today we have some green in the forecast, meaning we have rain from a cold front moving in later today and into the evening for portions of eastern PA. However, you will be seeing on and off showers and heavier pockets of rain across western PA throughout the day today. So if you're in that darker green, expect those scattered showers, especially this afternoon and into the evening and when you're in letter B, you're going to see some of those showers moving in later this evening and throughout the overnight hours. So kind of see a good temperature gradient there with that cold front. We got temperatures in the 60s to the west and into the 80s in the east. And here's our cold front that is moving through overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning, which is bringing us plenty of rain across the region, which is much needed with our ongoing drought situation. We're expecting heavy rain with this, especially with our precipitable water amounts, which I mentioned before, is the amount of moisture that could be squeezed out like a sponge out of the atmosphere. And when you see those darker purple colors here, we're talking about 1.5 to 2-inch precipitable water amounts. So a lot of moisture is going to be squeezed out or is ready to be squeezed out from this cold front, a bunch of lift from that cold front especially. Heavy downpours will be likely tonight across portions of northeastern Pennsylvania and in through southeastern Pennsylvania especially. But just the total QPF through Wednesday, kind of showing that general 0.5 to 1 inch across much of the Commonwealth. There's going to be pockets, especially near the Poconos, that may be near an inch and a half. But most of us will be between the 0.5 to 1 inch to up to maybe an inch and a quarter, especially in northeastern and southeastern Pennsylvania near Harrisburg here, as denoted by the Weather Prediction Center. So we're keeping an eye on that. We have plenty of rain coming, which will help our drought situation, thank goodness. And also, we will be saying goodbye to summer. And as we're looking at the MSLP, or the mean sea level pressure, guess from the EPS for Thursday, you kind of see that high pressure just sitting off to our northwest there. That's going to bring in a northerly flow, and this is going to be strong high pressure. This is going to be very dry air moving in. It's going to be cooler air moving in, and it will be a little bit gusty, so that'll be able to evict more of that cooler air in. So it will be quite cool as we head past today. And as we're looking through the ECMWF 2-meter above ground level temperature anomalies, so temperatures in the 50s are likely for Thursday. We'll slightly rebound on Friday as high pressure moves towards us a little bit more. But our first widespread frost is possible Friday morning, as temperatures are expected to get down into the 30s for a lot of areas. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on that, and I will keep you updated on that. But it is going to be cool for the rest of the week. And guess what? After this cold front moves through today, that is the end, I believe, of summer 2025. And that's all I have for you guys today. Have a great Tuesday, and I'm meteorologist Mike Jaber.